Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, you guys know I have been a pretty big fan of WorkSharp sharpeners for quite a while. I started off, of course, with just a very simplistic belt sharpener. So I could do pretty well on that. I still do quite a bit of sharpening with that. Then, of course, came the Precision Adjust, and that one really helped me out. 100%. I mean, it's adjustable. You can take your, 15 degrees, 20 degrees. You can go down a little bit better. Now, most of my knives sharpen at 20 degrees. I sharpen at 20 degrees. I really don't go any lower than that. Why? Well, just because. When I start changing it up, then I really start have to write stuff down. And it's just simple. It's easy. 20 degrees is going to do pretty much anything I want it to do. It has, so I just stick with it. And then, of course, you had the Guided Field Sharpener. The small sharpener, I call it an easy carry sharpener. I mean, it's a little bit bigger, but fantastic sharpener. Well, that's what we have in here, kind of. Because the Guided Field Sharpener just kind of got elitified, if you will. This is the Guided Field Sharpener Elite. Okay, so now your question is, what makes it elite? Well, you're looking at the first thing right here. It now comes with this nice little padded carrying case, WorkSharp branded before. Now, there were off-brand cases that would fit it on like Amazon and stuff like that. But now WorkSharp is actually putting out a carrying case for it, which I like. I thought about getting one of the off-brand, but I never did. And now it's got a case of its own. So, no, that's not everything. That is not everything that makes it elite. Right here, you've got the Guided Field Sharpener. As we see it right now, this is the original. You've got your two ceramic rods. You've got your rotatable 3-position rod. Then you also have your smaller serration ceramic rod right there. You've got your two diamond plates. You've got a coarse and a fine diamond plate. Now they are set at 20 degrees, which I am, like I said before, perfect. All of my knives are sharpened to 20 degrees anyway. And you have the leather strap right here. So, and if we pop this off, I can't remember which, there it is. There are your broadhead tools to remove if you're out in the field, Guided Field Sharpener. If you're out bow hunting or whatever, makes it a little bit easier to kind of helpful get your broadheads off your arrows. Now, what makes it elitified is it now comes with 2 additional diamond plates. You've got right here, you've got a medium abrasive, so you don't have to go, you can kind of work down from coarse to fine. You don't have to skip through it. This one right here, this one's coming in at 400 grit. That's the medium. And if fine or the ceramic hone wasn't good enough for you, now you have, where's it at? There it is. You have an extra fine abrasive. This one is coming in at 800 grit. So you can take it down, not only if you need to start at coarse, you might not need to start at coarse. You could start at medium, or if you want to just give it a nice touch-up, start with fine, and then hit it on the extra fine a few times, and just really hone it. And then, of course, hit it on your strap, and you're good to go. Now, I think I like the fact that they put the extra diamond plates in there, because it just helps you get that extra fine edge if that's what you're looking for on your knife. Now, I carry, a Guided Field Sharpener in my bag every day to work. You guys know I cut a lot of rope. My knife, it is my most used tool. And it comes in so handy because I'll do a job. We might have a little bit of a break. I'll take out the Guided Field Sharpener and just, I might just use a ceramic hone, might just use the strap here, or sometimes If I think I might touch it up on the fine. I've never really had to use the coarse plate through the course of the day, but the fine absolutely comes in great. Now, to sharpen it, just take it like this. Now this is the fine stone. Just guide it, drag it across. You've got your angle already set right there. Pull it across. Give it a few times. Then hit it on that strop. Knock off that burr. And you're good to go. And that's what I do at work. That's what I do at work all the time. I can tell you right now, this guy is going to become my new favorite sharpener that I carry in my bag every day to work. It's not... The whole reason why is I could just use that extra fine if I need it. I can use... It's just options. So many different options that I will start carrying this one in my bag every single day. Now, these guys are available. They just came out, well, they've been out for a little while on Amazon. They actually just came out on the WorkSharp site yesterday. So, brand new to the WorkSharp site. They have been on Amazon, and they're going for $75. I believe that's a pretty decent price for the flexibility and the durability of this sharpener. Very cool. 100%. Now, of course, I do have to thank WorkSharp for sending this one out. They sent it out, helped get the word out about the Guided Field Sharpener Elite. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. Absolutely. And this is just going to be another WorkSharp tool I add to my arsenal. I've had others. You guys know I've shown several sharpeners, and man, the WorkSharp just does it for me. Really, really does it for me. So, like I said, there'll be links down below, the description, comments, wherever. They're down there. Go take a look at it. If it looks like an option for you, there you go. But it is. It is a fantastic sharpener, and it is going in my work bag right now. I'm taking it downstairs. I'm putting it in my work bag, and that's where it's going to stay. So, thanks a lot, guys. Greatly appreciate you stopping by and checking out the new, it is new, Guided Field Sharpener Elite from WorkSharp. Guys, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.